Hello, Sudeep Datta, Head of AIOps and Automation here. What I'm going to do today is talk through some of the key capabilities and differentiators of Broadcom's AIOps solution. In this solution, which can be delivered on cloud or on-prem, we bring a variety of metric, alarm, log, and topology data from multiple sources, APM, NetOps, and infrastructure monitoring tools to provide a single point of observability and control. Let me start where our users mostly start. Key enterprises like FSIs, telcos, retailers, etc. do not manage infrastructure or applications without having a business context. At the end of the day, they offer business services governed by SLOs, service level objectives, and SLIs, service level indicators. Our service analytics, which can scale to a few thousand services, lets our customers create and monitor the services as per their preference. They can create a hierarchy of services based on their business practice. For example, here the subservices are created based on functional subsystems. For certain enterprises, it could be based on location. Users can import these services from their favorite CMDB. What's important to note that not all services are born equal. If you are a modern bank, you may want to prioritize tickets coming from digital banking, for example. And this application lets you rank them as per the KPI of your choice. We can source the availability not merely from the state of the infrastructure, whether they are running or not, but from the SLIs that represent the state of the application. When it comes to triaging issues related to the service, it is important to have a complete view of the topology. The topology can show both east-west elements from mobile to mainframe or north-south elements in a network flow. This is particularly relevant for a large enterprise who could be running the systems of engagement on the cloud and system of records on mainframe inside the firewall. Here you can see that the issue is related to the mainframe kick server. You can expand to see the actual alarm, which is sourced from the mainframe operational intelligence. Similarly, clicking on network will give the hub and spoke view of the network devices, say Cisco switches and Arista routers. I can click on the affected router and see all the details. Broadcom's AIOps solution stores the ontological model of the topology in the form of a journal graph, where one can not only view the current state of the topology, but the past as well. Talking of underlying data sources, the solution uses best-of-the-breed data stores for structured and unstructured data. We have not only leveraged the power of open source, but have actively contributed back to the community. One of the key innovations is evident in our dashboarding framework because we have enhanced the open source Grafana technology to support these diverse data sources. Here you can see a single dashboard representing applications to infrastructure to mainframe, again sourcing a variety of data from these sources. When we talk to customers, one of the biggest challenges that they face today is related to alarms. Because of a proliferation of tools, they are currently drowning in an ocean of hundreds and thousands of alarms. This increases the L1 support cost to tens of dollars per ticket and also affects L2 efficiency, leading to an average of 5 to 6 hours of mean time to resolution. Here is where we have the state-of-the-art innovation, utilizing the power of machine learning and ontology to arrive at the root cause. We not only clusterize alarms based on text, but employ the technique of 4T. First, we look at the topology, then at the time window, deduplicate text based on NLP, and lastly, learn from continuous training of the model to deduce what we call situations. This is an example of a situation. As you can see, we provide a time-based evidence of how things unfolded and arrived at a root cause. Lastly, the solution provides a 360-degree closed-loop remediation either through a ticketing system or by direct invocation of automation actions. Instead of firing hard-coded automation runbooks for certain conditions, the tool leverages machine learning to rank automation actions based on past heuristics. That's why we call it intelligent automation. To summarize, AIOps from Broadcom helps you achieve operational excellence through full-stack observability, coupled with AI/ML that applies across modern hybrid cloud environments as well as legacy ones. Uniquely, it ties these insights with intelligent automation to improve customer experience. Thank you for watching.